up to me whenever you want.
When the rest of me is down, and you enchant me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know
I will always
I have found
you.
I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love.
She wants me to be the better man, which means I can't be who I am.
I wanna lock in your love. Your
Maybe this is who you are now.
And now I've got you in my space. I won't let
Love
go
does that,
with you. You got me shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you.
Changes us.
Fight for my growth and kill a man. Do you understand?
I understand. I hated him so much for what he did to me.
I deserve this.
Now all I want to do is save this.
And now I've got you in my
Please don't leave.
I won't let go with you. You got me shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you.